Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the laggy Fortnite when streaming and recording in OBS. So, really, there's two options. So, here is my OBS right here, and I like to play with game capture, but for Fortnite, DX12 does not work with game capture, so I have to use my desktop. So in order to fix the laggy Fortnite, you have two options. If you're using DX11, I recommend using game mode. This way you don't have to cap any FPS when playing Fortnite. So I'm going to open Fortnite right now. In the meantime, I'm going to show you my settings. So here's my streaming settings. I use the rate control CBR and NVINC new with a bitrate 4500. And my recording, NVINC still, CBR, but a bitrate of 6000. I might up that a little bit more if quality isn't that great, but that is my settings. And yeah, so I'm going to show you a few examples. So again, I am playing on DX12. All of your problems will go away when you use game mode DX11. But to solve your DX12 problem, you have to use your desktop, which would be you have to use desktop capture, which I cannot, right here, display capture. So I'm going to show you an example of me playing solo. Here are my Fortnite settings. I have view distance on epic, shadows off, anti-aliasing off, textures high, effects medium, post-processing low. But see how my frame rate is capped? I am going to uncap it. I'm just going to show you how laggy this recording is. Battle bus right there, how it's super laggy. So let's just go and land in the far corner over there. Okay, so we're on the ground, and it's still lagging like crazy. So in order to fix this, go into settings, and we would like to cap it at our monitor's refresh rate. And everything is instantly fixed. Thanks for watching, and if this fixed your problem, please comment, subscribe, like, share this video. Also, I won the game. You know, just so you know, I was at the edge of the storm and I won, even though I'm in like the lowest elo possible. But yeah, so please subscribe and help this fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.